think the era of simple bulletproof trail bikes is over. Think again. What if I told you that one of the most reliable dirt icons in history is back for 2026, and it's packing a secret that's going to change how you look at beginner bikes forever? We live in a world of $12,000 enduro machines that require a degree in computer science just to adjust the traction control. But while the industry was looking left, Yamaha looked way back, to a nameplate that defined indestructible. Stick around, because we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Yamaha T225, a machine that proves you don't need 100 horsepower to conquer the wild. If you've been waiting for a bike that values your time on the trail more than your time in the mechanic shop, this is the review you cannot afford to miss. The resurrection of a trail icon for years. The original T225 was the unsung hero of the woods, the bike that would start on the first kick. After sitting in a rusty barn for a decade, it wasn't flashy and it wasn't the fastest, but it was the bike that got everyone home for 2026. Yamaha has officially brought the nameplate back from the archives. But don't be fooled. This isn't just a vintage throwback or a parts bin special. While the modern industry is obsessed with massive, 600-pound adventure bikes and high-strung motocrossers that need a top-end rebuild every 50 hours, the 2026 to 225 enters the scene. Is the ultimate go-anywhere fun machine. Yamaha's design team clearly understood the assignment. They've retained that classic, slim-waisted silhouette that made the TT series so approachable, but they've draped it in aggressive YZ-inspired bodywork. The plastics are high-impact and designed to take a beating, finished in a stunning icon blue and heritage white palette that screams factory fresh. It looks fast even when it's leaning on its kickstand in your garage, but it doesn't feel intimidating. It's a bike that invites you to throw a leg over it, rather than challenging you to survive it. Pure performance without the complexity. Under the fuel tank lies the heart of a champion, a heavily refined 223cc air-cooled SOAK 4-stroke engine. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Air-cooled in 2026. Yes, and it's a brilliant move. Yamaha knew better than to mess with perfection by avoiding water cooling. They've eliminated radiators that can puncture in a fall, water pumps that can fail, and several pounds of unnecessary weight. This is a bike built for the remote wilderness, where simplicity is the ultimate luxury. However, for 2026, Yamaha has dragged this legendary power plant into the modern era. With a sophisticated fuel injection system, this replaces the finicky carburetors of old, ensuring crisp, instantaneous throttle response and effortless cold starts. Whether you're at sea level or tackling 10,000-foot mountain passes, the power delivery is linear and tractor-like. It's got that low-end chug that allows you to crawl through technical rock gardens without stalling. Paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed transmission, this bike is geared to pick its way through tight single track, but still has the legs to cruise down a fire road at 55 miles per hour without vibrating your feelings. Loose handling ergonomics and the Goldilocks factor. One of the biggest wins for the 2026 model is its Goldilocks sizing. Most modern dirt bikes have become incredibly tall, making them inaccessible for shorter riders or beginners. The T225 solves this, with a seat height that inspires immediate confidence, allowing most riders to get their feet down comfortably. Yet the ergonomics don't feel cramped for a full-sized adult. It's a masterclass in packaging. The chassis is a lightweight, high-tensile steel frame that offers the perfect amount of flex for trail riding. But the real story is the suspension for 2026. The T225 has seen a massive upgrade, featuring a long travel, monocoque rear linkage, and adjustable front forks. This isn't the soft, mushy suspension of a play bike. It's been tuned to soak up roots and ruts with composure. It's the kind of bike that makes you feel like a hero in the corners, because it's so predictable and forgiving. When you hit a surprise bump mid-turn, the T225 doesn't deflect or kick. It just tracks straight and asks for more. The big surprise: the stealth mode and tech integration. Now here's the surprise I promised you. The feature that has the entire industry talking for 2026. Yamaha has introduced an industry first for this class. An integrated trail mapping hood, tucked discreetly into the handlebar pad. Where you'd usually just see foam is a high-contrast, shatter-proof micro-LED screen. This screen connects via Bluetooth to the Yamaha Power Tuner app. Not only can you track your trails in real time and share coordinates with your riding buddies without mounting a bulky, expensive GPS, but it also features a limp home emergency beacon that can send your location via satellite if you're out of cell range. But the real wow factor, the stealth mode. Yamaha has developed an electronic exhaust valve paired with a low-decibel baffle system At the flick of a handlebar-mounted switch, you can drop the exhaust note by 15 decibels. This allows you to navigate sensitive trailheads, pass through noise-restricted areas, or leave your neighborhood for an early morning ride. Without waking the neighbors, it's whisper-quiet operation at your fingertips, giving you the freedom to ride in places that were previously off-limits. To loud internal combustion engines, it's a game-changer for the social acceptance of off-road riding. Maintenance the 5-minute mechanic. We have to talk about the cost of ownership, because that's where the 2026 TT 225 truly beats the competition. Most modern bikes require a laptop and a specialized diagnostic tool. Just to reset a service light, the TT 225 stays true to its roots. The oil filter is easily accessible. The air filter is a tool-less removal design, and because it's air-cooled, you'll never have to worry about coolant flushes or leaking hoses. Yamaha has even included a small integrated toolkit, hidden behind the side panel, that actually contains high-quality tools for trail-side adjustments. It's a bike designed to be owned for 20 years, not leased for 2Y. The TT 225 still rules the dirt. At the end of the day, the 2026 Yamaha TT 225 isn't trying to be a supercross champion or a Dakar rally racer. It's a reminder of why we all started riding in the first place. The pure, unadulterated joy of exploration. It's a bike that doesn't judge your skill level. It just helps you improve it. It's affordable to buy, virtually indestructible to own. And now, thanks to the hood and stealth mode, it's smarter than any trail bike has a right to be. Whether you're a veteran rider, looking for a lightweight mule to explore the backwoods, or a newcomer ready to take your first steps into the world of dirt, the TT 225 is the bridge to your next great adventure. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a ticket to the places where the pavement ends and the real stories begin. Yamaha didn't just bring back a model, they brought back a philosophy bike future.